Sourcing channels for recruitment. Are you facing trouble finding new sourcing channels for recruitment? At some point, each of us has been asked, how did you hear about us? And most of the time, we pay no attention to how we got there because for us, how does that matter? In this episode, we will talk about the various sourcing channels for recruitment to help you with the process. For more episodes, please subscribe and like our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. The answer to the question is very important. If you work in recruitment or trying to establish the best recruitment channel for your business, because every recruiter wonders how to get great candidates to their door. But with a tight budget, spending money on recruitment channels is not possible. So, how do you recruit candidates for your business? Where to post job or source candidates from? Is it via social networking sites or job boards or word of mouth? You need to check some metrics to decide the best recruitment channels that are highly efficient for your business. Like how many applicants a channel is bringing, how many qualified applicants there are there, where they come from, and how did they hear about the role. Sound too difficult, right? Don't worry, as we have put together a list of top sourcing channels for recruitment to help you find highly qualified candidates. Measuring the efficiency of sourcing channels for recruitment is beneficial. And here, we have collected some best sourcing channels for recruitment to try out. Networking. Recruiters with strong network can improve their candidate sourcing by announcing job openings to passive candidates they have in their network. You will not only look for people in your network to apply to your field, but you can also have your network assist you in filling your job positions by referring you to people in that network. There are some common practices to ensure that your network engagement is optimal. Connect with only those who will add value to your network. Don't add random people to your network to expand its size. Only add relevant professionals to your target audience and have their own valuable network. Make appealing job posting. Make your job announcement look less like an advertisement and more like a friend reaching out for his friends. Engage with your network, whether it's interacting with posts, sending the occasional message, interacting with your own network when you don't need them. To fill vacancies will increase the likelihood they will give you the time when you do need them. Job boards. Job boards are one of the best sourcing channels for recruitment, where recruiters can source talented candidates. With popular job boards like Indeed, which have 225 million registered job seekers, you can assume to get some good or highly skilled candidates. Hence, you can assume that various job boards can somehow be used to their full potential if employers proactively search for good candidates. Some job boards also charge additional service fee for employers, which is an ideal business opportunity for employers and job boards. Also, it is important to remember that the more relevant the job board, the more valuable the resume database will be. Referrals. Employee referrals remain one of the most effective recruitment channels. This is because employees will only refer to people they want to work with and believe will fit in with the rest of the team. And besides, who wants to jeopardize their career by referring a bad hire? So, how do you persuade employees to recommend their friends and acquaintances? Referrals program. Employers can benefit from referrals in a variety of ways. First and foremost, an employee referral program encourages your employees to let you use their network to find the best candidate. Consider rewarding all referrals even if the hiring does not occur. Creating a uniformity in recruitment. Develop a procedure in informing your employees whenever there is a job opening for which you need referrals. External referrals can also be effective candidate sourcing channel. External referrals, as opposed to employee referral programs, see the hiring team rely on their professional network rather than their co-workers. Recruiters can use LinkedIn, social media, and potential connection to announce that they are hiring and would welcome referrals from their network. Corporate website. If you don't have a company website, stop reading and create one. A low-cost first step in employee branding is a corporate website. It is a passive yet extremely effective method of recruiting. When candidates find your job posting, the first thing they do is visit the website, especially if you are a startup and no one knows about your company yet. A corporate website gives you credibility as a company and can be a perfect way to market your organization to potential clients and employees. How do you do that? Include a separate page for career opportunities where organic visitors can see any open positions. If you are not actively recruiting, clarify that you encourage proactive job seekers. Remember to put it at the top of the page. Remember to add analytics to your career page to see how it's used. You can collect measured data for each aspect of your business. Why not do the same for your website? And more specifically, to aid your recruitment drive. Begin by embedding Google Analytics on each page of your company's website to determine how visitors interact with your site, where potential candidates come from, and how this potential talent compares to your company's values. Finally, make your site mobile friendly. 45% of job seekers use their phone to look for jobs daily, and 77% would apply via phone if possible. LinkedIn. For any employer, LinkedIn is one of the best sourcing channels for recruitment. LinkedIn is a talent database, job board, and social networking site all rolled into one. There are no two ways. If you are not on LinkedIn, you are missing out. LinkedIn is the place where professionals from all walks of life, passive or not, regularly polish their profiles and build their professional brands. This means that depending on the position, LinkedIn is a better alternative to recruiting passive candidates. Recruiters can use LinkedIn's sophisticated database to get matching resumes and contact their prospects. On the other hand, LinkedIn is a more global platform with enough profiles for many countries. Social media. Social media can help you improve your referrals and networking channel for candidate sourcing. It is extremely valuable asset in your bid to market your job opportunities to your network. It is also the primary way you will build your network and expose your job opportunities at a larger crowd of passive candidates. The power of social media is enormous. If you are not using it to market your job opportunities, you are definitely missing out. The practice of using social media to source candidates is known as social media sourcing, and its main goal is to expand your job distribution beyond platforms where active candidates are searching for job opportunities and to make yourself visible in the eyes of the general public, where you are likely to find a lot of passive candidates. As the best candidates are in the high demand, you must be more strategic to win them for your team. Overall, finding the right mix of old and new technology for your company and target candidates is the goal of sourcing channels for recruitment. When you find the right combination, you will be rewarded with a large talent pool to draw from. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe this episode and give it a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.